Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is John Artsberger and this is From Failure to Freedom. And on my channel, I actually work with people helping them earn online. And in this video today, we're talking about Forex. Now, most people have a misconception as to how Forex actually works. And I'm not going to go in detail on what Forex is or how it works, but I'm going to tell you that the problem with Forex, and especially online, you see these big gurus that are flashing $100,000, $200,000 profits, but what they're not telling you is they have a pretty big account, a large account that they've probably grown over the last 10 years. So yeah, they're seeing some decent wins, right? Maybe $100,000. I've seen a couple, but the actuality is for you looking at Forex as an option as a beginner, that's not going to happen, especially not in the beginning, because you don't have a good understanding as to what you're doing. Most people who start out in Forex, even if they're a couple years in, are still somewhat rusty. It's very rare that I hear about people earning money before about 5 years of just grinding in the industry. So today, I'm going to be talking to you about a way that you can overcome this as a beginner and how you can actually start earning with Forex and without any work. All right, everybody. So before we get started, just a couple things real quick. I'm gonna break this down for you in a way that you're gonna really understand. But just to show you what my channel, how it's set up and how you can benefit from it, if you go to my homepage and you scroll down, I have playlists. These are basically courses that I've created for free for people. They're step-by-step trainings helping people to earn with different ways, mostly affiliate marketing and Forex, but I do some e-commerce and some digital marketing tips and a bunch of this kind of stuff. Now, today you guys have landed on this series right here, turn $1,000 into 1 million. And this is literally what we're doing. We are taking a Forex account and growing this over time to $1 million. Now, this is probably going to take us about 4 years, but we will get there. And actually, I'm going to be showing you exactly how we have it set up and how you guys can use this to your benefit without even knowing anything about Forex. Basically, what I've done is created a software that you can tap into with your trading account that links it to mine. And when you do that, I do all the trading for you for a very small fee. I mean, minuscule fee. You're going to be amazed actually when we get into it. But if you guys are new here and you haven't seen me before, a great place to start is on day one. I have a really good explanation as to what that is, and then you can follow along. Basically, this is an update every single day showing our profits. So I have a document, this one right here, that I go over every day, and it shows what we're earning. So you can see for the last month and a half here, what we're earning with this account and on our way up to the top. Now, for this series specifically, you can start out with as little as $500 in your account, but I would start building that up, over time, maybe every couple of weeks, put it in there, put a little bit more in, keep adding it up till it gets to about 5,000, and then it starts to grow really, really quickly. So we have about 5,000 in our account right now, and we've made $3,429 profit in the last month and a half. Now, as this starts to grow, the compounding effect happens, and this starts to actually just skyrocket, and it happens really quick. I'm going to show you that. I'm going to break it down for you. But if you guys want to learn more about it, or you're interested in getting started, maybe you're tired of losing money with Forex, and you would rather somebody else trade your account, my team does that with this software that I'm about to show you. And the benefit for you is you don't have to know anything about Forex. The other benefit is the people that we have trading these accounts are real people. These are traders that have been trading for the last 20 years in the Forex industry. And I worked with them to put this together so that we could offer it to the public as a service. And that's what we're doing right now. Now, we don't have access to your trading account, or to your broker account. We only have access to your trading account, and only through a software. We can't actually access it. We don't know how to log into your system or anything like that. So all of your money is safe. It's in your broker's hands, has nothing to do with us. You're literally just linking to a software that allows you to have your account trade at the exact same time as ours while we're trading. And you can see here our profit, we're generally in profit. Now, we're going to see ups and downs. I'm going to talk about this. You can kind of see the ramp up here. What people don't understand about Forex or investing in general, and this is a good way to put this, and I say this in most of my videos so that people can understand, but when you invest money in, say, like a retirement fund, this is just a really easy way to understand it. If you invest in a retirement fund, let me delete, I'm not sure why that's all there, but if you invest in a retirement fund, let's say you put your money in right here, okay? Now, what happens with that retirement fund over 30 years is it's constantly going up and down. It's just like this, right? It's following market prices. It's being traded. Your capital's being traded. And this is what it's doing, right? And slowly making its way up. Now, with a retirement fund, a typical retirement fund can take 30 years for you to get to $1 million. And there's a couple different reasons for that. One, it's a very low percentage of gain that you're getting every year, generally 3 to 5%. But with Forex, we can actually hit a minimum of 15%. That's what our goal is every month. And as that starts to grow and compound, you actually start earning more because we are able to trade with higher lot sizes on the accounts once they're higher. Now, for some of you guys who have been in the Forex industry for a while, all of our trades have take profits and stop losses. What does that mean? That means that when we issue a trade, we always have a protection in place in case that trade goes the other way, and then it'll just automatically close itself out. We also have take profits, and we use different trading tools that help us achieve this too, so that we can protect your account. We also have equity protection on your account that if it ever was to drop below a certain amount, trading just cuts off. Now, this is because your accounts are linked to our own personal accounts. So this is us trading our accounts real time. So there are no bots, there are no algorithms, there is no AI doing any of this work for you. This is real people trading, professionals trading your accounts. So, and they're not really trading your accounts, they're trading my account and your account and their own accounts, and your account is linked through a signal, right? So basically we're just sending a signal automatically to your account to say, hey, take this trade right now, so that you don't have to worry about it. So you guys can just sit back and watch the profit go. Now, this is the place that you want to go to, myfreedomfx.com. You're going to get to this page. Just fill out your information. You can watch my video if you want. Fill out your information, create an account, and that's going to take you over to our tutorial. This tutorial is a walkthrough showing you exactly how to set this up. Literally takes 20 minutes, okay? So you just go into here, watch, follow exactly what we're doing. We show you the broker to use. We show you everything that we're doing to set this up, and then you're ready in about 20 minutes, okay? You'll have access to this. You'll get access to our app. So app.myfreedomfx.com. And this is where you can actually see all of the data for all of our trading anytime. So you can click on view signal. Actually, when you guys sign up for this, you'll have your own dashboard just like this that you can track your account and our account. But you can see here that our account growth is 107%. And we started this account back in January with $1,000. So we've been growing it steadily. You can see our monthly and our weekly gains. Now, like I said, this is real life trading. Real traders don't hit profit all the time, but you can see our win to loss ratio is 70% to 29%. We win 70% of the time. And that's pretty much expected for professional traders. And you can see our monthly, you can see our daily, our hourly, what we're trading, absolutely all of the information that we're doing here. You have access to this yourself, but there will be ups and downs. So what I tell people is, when you're investing in your retirement, you're not even paying attention to those ups and downs, right? So you're just putting money into this account every month, and you're hoping that in 30 years, you're going to have a bunch of money sitting there ready for retirement. With this, it's going to happen a lot faster, but it's the same concept. There's going to be ups and downs. It's always like this, and every professional trader knows this. You're never going to be on top all the time. It's impossible. It just can't happen. But if you know what you're doing and you know what to look for, you can have a way higher average win to loss ratio, and that's really the goal here. This is going to be a passive investment that you can just put a little bit of money in, let it sit there, or you can put money in and start adding to it whenever you want. Now, again, we don't have access to your accounts, but you do. You have access to your broker funds anytime you want. You can put money in, you can take money out. This is your trading account. It's a real broker that you're holding your capital in. We're just trading it through a signal, okay? So that's something to kind of touch on, but let's go to the update today for everybody, because I know you guys are probably waiting for that. So here's our update. You can see where we were at. We had a really good week back in week 5. We were at 2182. Last week was a little bit less, so we only went up $70 because we had some pretty significant losses here. And this week so far in profit, we're 265.89. I think we're going to see this rise quite a bit here this week. It seems like pretty healthy trading this week. But you can see we've, out of the last 5 weeks, we've only had 1 week that we were actually losing, down any money, right? So we are going to have days. You can see here in the red where the days are that we've lost, and those are just certain trades, certain days. This is what it's going to look like this entire time. So over the next year or two, I'll be updating this series periodically throughout the week, at least 2 or 3 videos a week to show you this. You guys can follow along with our updates right here on the Turn 1,000 into $1 million series on my channel. So if you guys haven't subscribed yet, now's a great time for you to go and subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you're notified when these videos come out. But it's really simple to follow along with these. You guys, if you're hesitant in doing this, just give it some time and keep watching. You can watch these over the next couple months. One thing though is, I know that when you see where we're at here in 2 months, you're gonna wish that you would have jumped in when you first found this, because this really is something cool. We've been trading Forex now for the last 2 years. The people that we have working with us have been trading for 20 years. They trade hundreds of millions of dollars every single day. They know exactly what they're doing. It's a really, really cool thing that we've put here together for you guys. But yeah, that's pretty much it on the update today. So if you guys want, you can grab this sheet of this document too, and you can click here to set up your system. That's going to take you over to the same page, the myfreedomfx.com. That's free to join and sign up. You can go check that out and just go look through the tutorial that we have, and then you'll have access to the app for free as well. So you guys can sign in here and watch this throughout the next few years here. But I think that we're going to take this $5,000 account up to $1 million. We're hoping for the next 3 years. I think we're going to see it a little bit sooner than that, actually, to be honest. But you can see really how it starts ramping up. And let me just show you an example. If you put $5,000 in your account and start trading with us, you can expect a minimum of about 15% return. That's kind of what we're trying to hit every month, and we're not going to hit that every month. Some months we're going to hit 50%, as you can see on the back on our right here. You can see we had a 55%, a 61%. We've had losses too, though, so keep that in mind. We are going to have some months where we're at a loss. Now this is current month right now. We're not really, that's not going to be accurate because that's going to change, but this was a loss of 18%. So you can see here we had a 55%, a 15%, a 61%, and we had an 18% loss. So over time, a great way to measure what's going to be happening here is, let's say that you put $5,000 in. Let's times that by 15%. And let's do that for a year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, and this is on, a very conservative estimate as to where we're going to be. We've already hit over $10,000 on this account. And it's only been a couple months, okay? So I think this is going to be pretty, you guys are going to be impressed. I try to keep things realistic and really on the conservative side so that when we do hit these numbers, you're going to be a lot more happy with what we got going on. But let's do another 12 months, another year, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So on this $5,000 account in 2 years, very conservatively, you've made $143,000 on a $5,000 account over 2 years, and you didn't have to do anything. You literally didn't have to touch anything. Now let's do one more year and just kind of see where we're at, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. $750,000 in 3 years on a $5,000 account. You tell me something that can get you the returns like this. There is nothing else, okay? That's why Forex is so powerful. That's why people spend hundreds of thousands of dollars learning how to trade Forex, practicing and trying to reach the goals, because this is what Forex is. This is how you use it as an investment opportunity. But yeah, so far that's the update for this week. So far, this is what we're at. I'll be doing another video either tomorrow or the next day. We'll update with where we're at tomorrow or the next day, and then we'll just keep going with these videos. So if you guys are wondering, just jump in here. You can click right on the playlist and just go down to the last video in the series every time, because today's video 8. So as we keep going, you'll be able to go down here and look through this yourself, and see the most up-to-date numbers and things like that. You also have access inside of the videos. Like if I click in here, let me just pause this for a second. If I click in here in one of the videos and hit the more button, you're going to have the link to sign up right here for My Freedom FX. And here's our weekly earnings document. You can access it right here. Just make a copy of it for yourself if you want. And here's the link to the beginning of the playlist, so you can always find this playlist. Okay. Another thing to touch on, here's my Facebook group. I have a bunch of people in there that are working through my affiliate marketing training, that are also in this Forex training as well, or this Forex or this My Freedom FX running this signal provider that we have. And you can go and chat with them in that group. Just click that, head over to Facebook, join my group, and you can go see what everybody's doing. There's a lot of people that are posting in here all the time. Here's a guy that went through my my affiliate marketing training last year. He was about 6 months in and was earning over $40,000 per month with affiliate marketing, and that was literally using one of my training systems right here on YouTube. And I'll show you which one. He was using the first one of this right here, the high ticket affiliate marketing step-by-step training. I had a version that I put out last year. This is the updated one. So he's done just fantastic. And there's a ton of people that have just, there's a few people that have hit his level of success. And then a lot of people are probably 50% to 60% are probably sitting around 10 to 15,000 per month with affiliate marketing. I mean, that's pretty damn good for a free training, right? Nobody else does this, offers you, what I'm trying to put together here for people, because I really want to make a difference. That's my goal, right? That being said, guys, if you got anything out of this video, leave me a like on it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go and hit the subscribe button, and also hit the bell icon so that you're notified when my videos drop. Feel free to follow along. If you have any questions, you can shoot me a text on the number at the bottom of the screen. That's my cell phone. I text back all the time, so it's me texting. So, but just be patient, because I do have a lot of messages coming in at times. So I try to get to every message within 24 hours, but feel free to reach out. And yeah, enjoy the day. I will see you guys in the next video.